Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to go into edit mode in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. In the first setting, we are in object mode. If you want to go into edit mode, make sure that we select the object and go to here to switch to edit mode. And then we can choose the vertex, the edges, or the faces to make object editing. For example, I select the vertex and move the vertex upwards to change the shape of the cube. I go back by pressing Ctrl Z. After editing, we can go to here again and switch to object mode. Actually, we can use shortcuts to switch to edit mode. I press shortcuts tab to go into edit mode. If we press tab again, we go back to object mode. So this is how we can toggle object mode and edit mode in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.